The Future of Buildings project is designed to let us think about how we will construct and live in buildings in 20 years' time. It brings together some 18 companies, represented also by 8 CEOs, and there's been 350 EDHEC students working on creative solutions for the future habitat.
When I met René a couple of years ago, when he arrived here, we started to investigate a bit more, as we were willing, at some fee, to collaborate with business schools in order to help us step back a bit, have a broad vision on what future could become and how buildings could evolve in the future.
We joined this event because it was really the opportunity to think with different actors of the industry, to cross our expertise and to really think, I would say, out of the box, to come to new solutions for the real estate industry.
I find it so important to have different generations and different perspectives on topics. Yeah, so it's the old world, it's the new world, it's fresh minds, it's academic, it's research, it's industry, it's everything,
The biggest challenges we have in front of us is to be able to work in a collaborative manner. There is very different stakeholders along the value chain in the building industry, and what is really difficult is to be able to work in an open intelligence, an open innovation standpoint with all the stakeholders, being able to understand each other and being able to build something together to drive our industry forward.
Talking about life, it's an exciting topic, and being part of actively developing opportunities and solutions to make attractive spaces where we live, how we live in the future is challenging. So the input of students get new thoughts on things makes it very rich and encouraging discussion and collaboration with people coming from the student world.
It was insightful, it was inspiring, but more important, it was fun, because thanks to that we were able to be a bit creative, and I think it was a very good way to try to innovate for tomorrow.
I think the industry has been unchanged for a long time, yeah? And right now is the time where actually industry starts understanding that technology and more disruptive business models actually find their way into the industry, right? So what I'm observing is that resistance of old economy starts opening up and saying, okay, well, why don't we do things together and make a difference and make the world a better place and take, better place of our planet and of people and everything that's got to do with it.
In the building industry, we can observe two megatrends, which are digitalization and sustainability. Due to the COVID, there is a strong acceleration on these two aspects.
Using foresight methodology and design thinking, students think about creative solutions to how we're going to build buildings in a more digital and in a more sustainable way. They're going to present their solutions in little video clips, and there's going to be a panel of 8 CEOs as jury to select the best ones.
The different projects which have been presented by the students were extremely fresh, open-minded and future-oriented.
This course in particular had some really interesting elements, like having touch points with partners, really interacting with them, and since they had like real life case scenarios, we had to get to all the issues that the building industry is facing, and I believe that's really set this course apart, is facing real life problems.
you.